We are in Milan. Say hi, Christelle.
Hi, Christelle.
Oh, you are just as bad as me with directions. Alright, we are in Milan. Oh my god. You guys, there's something wrong with my lens. We just got to Milan. We are going to find somewhere to eat. And I think the last time I was here was 2016 actually. Okay, I have to figure out where we're going. Nope.
Do any good driving?
Here it is. First meal in Milan. The arugula.
You look very happy.
Oh, we got a nice view. Hello.
Thank you, my dear.
Oh my,
Isn't it good?
that's like my favorite white wine. We're on the tube.
I don't think they call it the tube.
No, they don't. We're on the M2. Oh my god. We are in Navili. What's up? I am so excited. All right, I got pistachio e fragola. I'm gonna get a spoon actually.
Weird.
Are we loving life? Good morning. This is day one, like full official day in Milan. I only get today and tomorrow, and I think tomorrow I'm going to Lake Como. So today is basically my only full day in Milan. I'm so excited. I'm basically just gonna walk around. The goal of today is to eat as much gelato as I possibly can fit into my body. And the second thing, that's pretty much it actually. That's it. That's all I need. And obviously eat other food too, but mostly gelato. We are in Brera, which I think is like the artsy district. This cute garden.
Deponete le armi oggi, chi ne bravissime SaVeg.
I'm here at the Duomo. So this is the iconic Duomo. Ecco te. Grazie.
Buon appetito.
I'm now at Cologne. I used to hang out here all the time with my exchange student friends. Yes, we used to like stand outside, drink beers. That's like a thing. I don't know if that's still a thing. That was like 12 years ago. In the evening, when it gets nice and cool, well, a little bit cooler, there is a bar somewhere here where people can grab drinks and then you just drink outside. And that's like, I don't know, part of Italian culture, I think. Drinking outside culture, which I'm so behind, okay? I think we should all embrace the drinking outside on the street culture. It's now 3 p.m. which means pretty much everything is closing. A lot of things close at 3 o'clock over here because, I don't know, people like to rest and stuff or chill. So it's called Cologne because of these columns. I don't know the historical significance. Milano Centrale. This is new. Made it to Lake Como. We are in Varenna, which is the first stop.
There you go.
Alright, this place has vegan vanilla and obviously mango. Vanilla is really good.